Hurricane Melissa recently made landfall in Jamaica, my homeland, and a beloved tourist destination. She arrived as a Category 5 storm, packing winds of up to 185 miles per hour. These strong winds have brought torrential rain, flooding, landslide, power outages, devastating damage, and immense uncertainty. Prime Minister Holness himself admitted that no infrastructure can withstand the fury of a storm like Melissa. She is the strongest hurricane ever recorded to strike the island. Lives were lost. But if there's anyone who knows how to weather a storm, it is Jamaicans. We are resilient, we are bold, and we are fearless. Melissa is not the first to unleash her tempestuous wrath upon us. Yet, still we rose, still we rebuilt, and still we overcame. It is in moments like these that the true heartbeat of Jamaica echoes. Today, we find comfort in the words of our national anthem, our prayer for peace and protection. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Together we're stronger. Together we'll overcome. And together we will ride out the storm. Amen.